scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Scientists tested rotenone in mitochondria, and this one moves fast. Watch the metabolite pattern, connect it to respiration, and you can lock the answer quickly. The key data pattern is that treated cells show a strong buildup of NADH in the mitochondria, which immediately tells you electrons are not moving forward normally. That's the clue. If NADH accumulates, it is not being oxidized back to NAD+, so the block must be in the electron transport chain, where NADH normally donates electrons. That matters here. This happens when electron transport chain enzymes are inhibited, so treated cells cannot break down NADH effectively, and that makes option C the best explanation. Well done. Option C. Scan now, do not rush past the signs in the data. Trust what is given, then check each step carefully.